Good morning. My name is Gerard Call. I'm the business manager here at Moto City. Now at Moto City, we do things different. I want to paint a scenario for you this morning. In fact, just yesterday, we had a client come into our office, and he was new to Canada. He's only been around for a year and a half in Canada. And when he came to Canada, of course, he had no credit whatsoever, and he was forced to buy privately in what he felt at that time. He did the best that he could to buy privately, and he purchased. Well, subsequently, a year later, there was issues with the vehicle, and he took it to a shop, and the shop wants close to $2,000 to put this vehicle back on the road. He doesn't have $2,000, and then he's also concerned that if he did have the $2,000 to put into the vehicle to give him some semblance of a safe, reliable vehicle, will he ever get it out of his vehicle? So he came to us, and we looked at his situation, and we said, hey, let's do this. Rather than spending $2,000 at the shop, we're going to take it in on trade. Because you can't sell it privately with needing all that work, but we're going to take it in on trade, and we're going to do that work and then sell it to our next customer. And that's we're going to take that burden, and we're going to offer you top dollar for that. And that way, you can get rid of your problem, move on to the solution, build your credit. Come to Moto City. We do things different.